scary.
A band.
You got it? Hell yeah, dude. That's yours, man. Oh, man. Well, hell yeah, dude. Well, you got you a band.
No, I don't know. They dressed it out.
No, that's yours. You killed those two. Those two were mine.
Okay.
Hell yeah, man. Oh. All right, Drake, go kill him. All right.
Come here, guys.
Hey, he's wounded. Take him. Take him.
I feel one.
Hey, that one's going down. Go get him, Drake. All right, you'll say when. Wait. Take him. Take him.
Yeah, I finally got keyed in on one. I said, well, these big shells, I don't want to, you know.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Come on, boy.
I was kind of surprised they made that second come around because I said get them the first time and they had just went past you, and I moved a little bit and stopped. And I was like, nope, wait. Then they came back around again, but
Yeah, when they did that second time, I beat them a couple of times and thought, well, it ain't gonna hurt now.
they leaped back around. But man, three retrieves right there,
Oh, my God.
and we run the teal hunting over here because that was all of them.
Come on, boy. Come on, Gus.
Good boy.
Come on.
Just let him come on in. Get him.
Over here.
Get him, Gus. I'm gonna put another shell on it. I'm gonna shoot past him.
Go ahead. Get him, Gus. Good.
Get him, Gus.
Hey, coming back. Coming back to you. Come on, we're back to you.
Come on.
I think it's teal.
Is it two?
Think so. Gadwall? Okay.
They were big ducks. But I was thinking they were a little bigger than.
Gus, come. Good. Come on, no, come on. Come on.
Them gun got hung up.
Come here.
That's the first time it's happened though. And
Come here, let me get him out of here. Okay. Now.
Have it?
yeah.
I just didn't kill the third one.
Well, the
Okay.
third one, my gun
Well,
jammed
I
up
knew I
all
shot
along.
that second one, and then I think, and it was still flying, so I moved on to the next one.
Dude, that third one went straight up.
Where's our lanyard?
I was like that.
It's right over here somewhere.
Good boy.
Good Gussie.
Come on.
Damn, man.
Man, we got shit on.
Hey, all right, I'll go get the boat. Get him, Gus. Hey, don't matter, man. We got our... Damn, man. Hey, right out over the duck decoy. Right wait. Kill him. Jammed. Yeah! Way to go! He took off to Dad. Oh. Good shot, Drake. I don't know, I hadn't looked. Go see if he needs any help. Get ready, Parker. Kill him. The other one crashed down. Hey, Drake, he's coming back. Get him, Parker. Get him. My gun didn't cycle.
My gun's jammed.
Huh. I yelled because my gun clicked, and I was like, get him, Parker. It was a wood duck, I think. Shit. Gus, come! Gus, come!
Come on, Gus.
Gus, come! Come on! Going now.
There you go. Get him, guys. Okay. He did it. I don't know the hell, you know, it's too late now.
Kill him.
Kill any of them.
Gus, no.
Gus.
We knocked that one down.
Gus.
Where's it at?
I'll go get the boat. Y'all keep an eye on him. Drop the one.
Oh, yeah.
They win. I don't either. Get him, Gus. Come on, Gus. Bring it back.
Good boy.
Good job, Gussie. Come on.
Good dog today.
Man, I hurt that one, but I never could bring him down.
Did you shoot that one?
To be honest,
I think I shot him. And
I think you shot him.
And I shot him again. I don't know. I think we both might have tagged him.
You got him.
Really?
Yeah. I was shooting at that other one, and I don't think I ever... He turned, you said get him, and I kind of hesitated a second, and when he turned, I never did get the
They were definitely
finish.
my player.
Good job, Gus.
He said the expert.
Good boy, Gus.
Sure, and these
He's
things
still
are-
alive. You gotta grab his
Get
head.
him out.
Alright, drop him.
Good boy.
Good boy. Here, you got that key thing if you want to.
Now we can get
too if they come in. I'll just wait. There we go.
Me and you, I think, got that first one.
I got that 4 one.
I was holding off to see which one somebody killed. Nobody knew. Gus, come on, bud. Get him, come on. Come on. I was holding off to see
Come on, Gus.
who killed what. I was going to kill the last. Laid there in the bank plan. And I was laying down when I
Gus,
shot.
no.
Leave it alone. I was laying down when I shot. Anyway, I saw you. It was I'm going to tell you, them strong guns, I swear, they wouldn't. Here are the closest two right there over my head. Over one of them. And I
Gus,
missed the
no.
first time.
Gus, no.
The second one stalked me into the sand.
Gus says,
Oh,
hey, I
yeah,
didn't have
in
to
the
swim
sand,
100 yards for
big-
that one.
I would have done it.
Kill him. We'll double tap him. Shoot him again, Dad.
Shoot him again. Hurry.
Take a shot. Gus, no! Did you kill one? Good job. Yeah, I got that far one. Get him, Gus. Come on, buddy. Come on, Gus. Come on, Gus. You got this. Come on, buddy. Come on. That a boy. That a dog, Gus. Had to kill that sucker. Come on, Gus.